Hey, welcome back to Q at Growing with Hudson. So, right here, we have a shade cloth and a basket from Dollar Tree. We're going to try to grow some potatoes. They got a lot of eyes on them. Y'all see? So they're ready. So what I'm going to do first is, let me show y'all this. I put a couple of holes at the bottom. Can y'all see those holes? Throw the shade cloth in there. You about to get these potatoes in the dirt. So put that in there. Got a little bit of this. I'm gonna just put it in there. Use what you got. Go put some compost in here. I use black cow, but you can use whatever kind of compost you want to. Put a handful of peat moss. And I'm gonna use some of my homegrown compost, because I know it's some worms and stuff in there. Then I'm gonna throw a little bone meal. A little bit of blood and bone meal. I said bone meal for the blood meal. Switch that around. Then I'm gonna place my potatoes gently in here. Then I'm gonna cover it with some more compost. Black cow. Oh, where does rock come from? I'm put a little more of my compost on top. I see worms all up in there. I see a whole bunch of worms. That's good for your soul. So there you have it. It's that easy. We water it in. Here I'm gonna take the water, the rainwater that I caught, and water it in. Because I use a lot of natural of my own compost, I'm gonna see how well it do with natural ingredients for the most part. So there you go. April 10th. My first set of white potatoes. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, hit that like button. Think about subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can see my future videos. Y'all have a blessed day.